Jim, you guys at A-ABEL have a service plan designed not only to save you a lot of money, but energy. Tell me about it.
Well, we call it our Energy Savings Agreement. We come out twice a year. We precision tune your furnace and your central air system. This helps to keep it run more efficiently with less breakdowns.
So this twice-a-year maintenance will extend its life and performance.
And this plan provides other benefits as well. We have lower labor and parts rates, lower emergency rates, and other discounts.
I like that, A-ABEL, because it's always something.